Hi, Michael Loayza here, filmmaker and sometimes chef in the lovely sunny New Jersey fields, getting some vitamin D from the sun, the free sunshine vitamin. And today is a beautiful, exciting day because we're going to be working with GrassrootsHealth to spread vitamin D awareness and creating vitamin D infused recipes with US Wellness Meats products. It's going to be delicious. Today is a very, very vigorous, energy-filled day because we're in the sun, it's summer, and it's beautiful. We got some horsies behind me. Life is good, man. Life is good. So let us get started. Let's go to the kitchen. We are out in the sun making vitamin D inspired dishes with GrassrootsHealth and US Wellness Meats. Today we're going to be making a delicious creamy and cheesy pesto and some caramelized mushrooms and some wild Alaskan halibut from the Salish Sea. So let's get started. I'm going to crush a clove of garlic, throw it right into the blender. We got some delicious Parmigiano Reggiano, which we know is very rich in vitamin D, amongst other things. Vitamin A, living active probiotics, right into the blender. Some for taste. I'm gonna do one more clove of garlic, so we get a lot of spice. Garlic, as we know, is a natural antibiotic, and you have to allow it to sit for the compound, I think it's called allicin, to activate, and that's a natural antibiotic. I have some scallions here. So I'm gonna cut the heads off. Right in the blender. I have all these delicious different herbs, mostly basil, because basil is the star of the dish. I have fresh sage from the garden, a lovely bouquet of parsley, and I have some mint and, oh, here it is, and some fresh mint. You don't have to add different herbs, but being that we grow these and they're nice and fresh, why not? It's gonna add some more diversity to the beautiful pesto, but don't feel obligated. I'm gonna put all this basil into the blender. I'm not gonna use all the parsley, I'm gonna save some for garnishing for later. For the fish, we'll put a nice handful of parsley. And the mint, I'm just gonna tear, hey Bailey. I'm just gonna tear and put right into the blender. Bailey's excited for the pesto. Now, there's some nice extra virgin olive oil. Always extra virgin olive oil. Research your olive oils because many are not what you think they are. Extra virgin is very important. It's the first press, it's unadulterated, and it's lovely. I'm gonna add about 1/4 cup of extra virgin olive oil. And I forgot an incredibly important ingredient, lemons, which I'm gonna go grab some right now. Still rolling. All right, I'm back. Lemons. If you're going to get lemons and you're gonna use the zest, which is the secret ingredient to this, because it adds so much flavor and it has antifungal and antimicrobial properties. Come say hi in the camera real quick. Talking to here.
Oh, I didn't see that one.
Here, it's in focus here. Yeah.
Hey, my son is using lemons. Lemon zest.
So as I said, I forgot lemons, one of the most important ingredients for the pesto. So I'm gonna slice the lemon in half and juice it right into the blender. No need to use a strainer, you can just catch the seeds between your fingers. Some may slip through, but it's all good. Wow, this is beautiful. The amount of lemons that you're gonna have to use depends on how juicy they are. This first lemon is incredibly juicy. It's like using 3 unripe lemons, so that's lovely. And before I slice this, I'm actually gonna zest this because it's easier to zest whole. And this is one of the most secret ingredients to adding so much flavor to any dish. You can finish with this, you can do it on eggs, you can do it on everything. It's very versatile. But just wash your lemons before you do it, and always buy organic because otherwise they're gonna be sprayed, and we don't want that. We wanna eat healthy. We wanna absorb the vitamin D from the sun as best as possible. That's why we're having this vitamin D inspired dish. Mushrooms are rich in D2. We have vitamin D in the cheese. We have omega-3s in the wild halibut. We can't go wrong with this dish. It's gonna be delicious. Did you eat a random piece of cheese and put it behind the... All right, perfect, stop. Okay, so we all tested our vitamin D levels, and I believe, Sandra, you had 32 nanograms per milliliter, 34 nanograms per milliliter, and 38, and then 50. I don't know how, I didn't say for everyone to be in order, it just worked out that way. So obviously, we're not getting enough vitamin D from the sun, so supplementation is very much necessary. As I know, vitamin D dips throughout the day and before getting sick, so who knows, maybe we can retest and see if those levels are adequate. Anyone have anything to say in regards to that?
I take my shirt off.
That's vitamin D and inspiration. We're gonna do some black pepper. And some pink salt. Now that you're all introduced with the test subjects, the volunteers to spread worldwide vitamin D awareness, the family, now we can really get to making the pesto, and let's do it. Wait, let's do it. Oh, it helps if you turn it on. That's dangerous filmmaking. That's dedication to getting the beauty shot. I even got pesto on my camera. No continuity on this set. Our pesto is ready to taste. So let us do a taste. Look at the beautiful, vibrant green. That is something else. Wow. Full flavor. My lips are probably green. It's gonna go so good with our wild halibut and over our pasta, obviously. And when you buy pasta, I'll announce this later, always buy imported from Italy. The guidelines are completely different. They have socialized medicine over there, so they don't want their people sick, unlike here where they want everyone sick because it's an immense profit, as we know. But that's why we're spreading worldwide vitamin D awareness to empower you to take your own health into your own hands and to make healthy dishes. Let's do it. Let's continue cooking. We have this beautiful wild halibut from US Wellness Meats. It's gonna be awesome. We're going to let the mushrooms sweat out some of their juices. I didn't put any oil in this pan because there's a lot of moisture that's gonna come out. I'm gonna finish maybe with a little bit of butter. Once I put the fish on, I'm gonna use some grass-fed butter. Again, vitamin D, rich, inspired recipes. We got our mushrooms caramelizing and our fish is about to go on. I'm just gonna season them with some salt and pepper because that's all you need with delicious fish, especially when you use US Wellness Meats products. All you need is some salt. You don't even really need the pepper. The meat speaks for itself and the fish speaks for itself. Bon appetit. Yes, a nub for the fish. Skin side down, always on your fish. Your skin is gonna be the glue to keep it together, and it's also gonna get that nice caramelized, crispy skin on it. So we always do skin side down. This fish is so fresh, there's no smell at all, and that's how you know that fish is fresh. It should not smell like fish. As you can see, our mushrooms are cooked, nicely caramelized, and they still have a nice bite and chewy. Perfect. They're gonna pair so beautifully with the pesto, pasta, the wild halibut. It's gonna be lovely. Vitamin D all day. Oh, and we gotta get our pasta that's in the water now. Salted water, of course, always. So let's do that. Bam! Wow. Beautiful.
Wow, look at that. That's so pretty.
Wow. Everything's rolling.
Rolling. Bon appetit, everybody. From the,
Bon appetit.
Thank you, chef.
Thanks.
Lemon.
You're welcome.
Don't forget the lemon.
Salud.
Salute. You too, Bailey.
Bailey the Bernadoodle. You guys look right into that camera. You tell them you love them. You love U.S. Wellness Meats. Thank you, U.S.
Thank you, U.S. Wellness.
One.
Thank you, U.S. Wellness.
Wait. 1, 2, 3. Thank you, U.S. Wellness.
For this delicious fish.
We love you.
God bless America. And Bailey. That is so good. Yeah, I need some lemon. Grassroots Health, thank you so much again. And U.S. Wellness Meats, bless you guys. You guys are just unbelievable. I greatly appreciate our kinship, and I look forward to working with the both of you guys and spreading beautiful knowledge, unbiased knowledge, and empowering people to make healthier, more wiser, and aware choices.
Hi, darling. Where are you? You didn't call me all day. Call me. Make my day. Love you. Hello?